wear at the end of the year. But where did this all begin? Well, Jake, Terrence, and I are wearing our sweaters today to celebrate. And we are joined by Ray Jabro of uglychristmassweaters.com to learn about the history and about their ugly sweaters that they provided for us. And Ray, can I just tell you, we don't think these are so ugly, do we, guys?
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm making it look fly.
Right? They came out great. So this is what you guys do. So tell me a little bit about your ugly sweater. How is that one special to you?
So this one actually has some like moving parts to it.
Oh, we're jealous.
Sweaters, and it goes through no battery. It just has a little pump, and I can move it.
Oh, okay, that's hilarious. I've not seen one of those. Okay, we got to talk history, right, guys? When did this ugly sweater thing come about? And tell me how you guys got involved.
Well, you know, it really did start when, like, it was Grandma's ugly sweater. But then it really became popular, I would say, in the last, like, 10, 15 years, where we're seeing ugly sweater parties pop up everywhere. And you even go to, like, some, like, bars, they have it as a theme for the night. We decided to get involved around, like, 10 years ago when we launched uglychristmassweater.com. And ever since we've done so, we've always just kept bringing it to a new level. Oh. This was something we did last year, and this year we even took it to, like, more interactive sweaters where there's like beer pong or hoops. You can play games with the sweaters now.
Goodness.
Wow. Ray, I have a good question for you. So we keep using the term ugly sweater. It's even in the Chiron there on the bottom. But I'm looking at the sweaters that we're wearing and even a lot of the ones that we're showing in the B-roll right now.
Fun.
And some of them actually look really great and they're well fit and they look really nice. Whenever you get requests, are there ever some of them that come out so nice that you look at them and go, maybe we need to make this uglier?
I guess, yeah, you are right about that. You know, we mix in pop culture into a lot of them. Just like over my right shoulder, or left shoulder, is one for Baby Yoda.
Yes,
and it's like actually a really cool sweater. I would wear it just even outside of Christmas season.
So anything we want. Like, Jake is obsessed with Die Hard. That's his all-time favorite Christmas movie. Mine is Gremlin. So, like, if I wanted Magua on a sweater, like, with like maybe water falling on them or like a bright light, you guys could do that too?
Yeah, we could, Terrence.
Okay, so what does something like that cost? Like, what's the average ugly sweater go for?
So you could get as low as 25, but then you could go all the way up to like 70 bucks. And making custom ones is 65 on the website. And we can ship them out within like one business day. So
yes.
So,
fiction.
We have a lot of people here helping.
So is it too late if somebody wants to order one because they're watching us now?
No, not at all. Even the people in Chicago, you could be able to get one tomorrow if you'd like.
What?
Okay.
What is the craziest request that you've ever gotten? Obviously, you can do, Cobra Kai. Oh, my God, that's Cobra Kai. There are so many great pop culture references, but what is the wildest ugly sweater request you've ever gotten?
Sometimes people will like submit stuff like on the customizer that they'll call me and they'll say, can I get it the same day? And I tell them, I'm like, you know, I don't have Santa's sleigh to get it over to you right now. But, you know, we're trying to up our supply chain more because try to get at least some local markets same day in the future. But, you know, some people expect they order something and like, oh, am I not getting it right away?
Amazon effect.
To be honest, Ray, this could be like year round. It doesn't have to be Christmas, right? Have you ever gotten like Valentine's Day requests or like St. Patrick's Day requests as well?
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, we actually like do different holidays, but mostly the ugly Christmas sweaters is like one of the biggest things, at least for uglychristmassweater.com. We love being a part of like the rush and helping people out because we have stuff that you can't find like in a normal store like TJ Maxx or something.
Oh, okay. Well, I have to. I want to flash an ugly sweater up and then have Jake tell exactly what movie it came from because you've identified every ugly sweater that has popped up. Jake.
I love the Pulp Fiction one because I'm a massive Pulp Fiction fan.
Okay.
That's one of our best sellers.
Oh, is it? Is it? Okay. What would you say number 2 is then?
I would say hoops, the one that showed where you could throw the hoops through the sweater.
Okay.
That one could be a lot of trouble after a few beers, a few drinks.
Well, I saw one. Wasn't there one in the B-roll where like a beer actually came? There was like a tap on it.
Yeah. With a tap. That would be so dope. I would need like a box of wine.
I would go to that Christmas party.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, Ray, can you do me a favor? can you, before we let you go, can you show us your customized sweater one more time?
Oh yeah, of course.
There
So
we go.
You just get to move it a little bit. Just a little right here.
That's amazing.
I love it. Ray, you got to be a happy man to do a job like this. Ray Jobro of uglysweaters.com. Thanks for joining us this morning, and thank you for making our ugly sweaters, which we don't think are so ugly. We actually think they're quite beautiful. But happy holidays to you, and keep everybody smiling. What a fun job.
Thank you. It was great speaking with you guys.
It was fun talking to you, too. Okay, everybody, stick around. Question of the day coming up next.
And presents.